Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. And today is October 17th, Europe session. Okay. Okay, take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade before you put in any trades. Okay, let's move on. Okay, the key data that is out today. In fact, this morning we had this Aussie employment and unemployment, employment change and unemployment rate, which the figures came out to be exceptionally well. And we did get stopped out. In fact, two trades I think we did get stopped out, and because the figure was a bit surprising, it wasn't expected to be that strong. Okay, then tonight I think we have also news trading that is on, and tonight is from the euro we have this main refinancing rate, okay, which is the forecast is the market is expecting about 0.25% cut, and followed by monetary policy statement. And we also have from the US core retail sales and unemployment claims, okay, and followed by Philly Fed manufacturing index, which is all due about 2030. And 2045 we have ECB press conference, and also about 2300 hours we have crude oil inventories. So tonight I think we should be focusing on euro dollar, since euro rate announcement is there and euro crosses, and also gold is in the verge of breaking out. Okay, we also need to pay attention to gold. Okay, so these are the markets that we can pay attention with. Okay, now as of now we are holding New Zealand dollar short, okay, which is excuse me, making about 22 pips, and we did book profit on just give me a minute. We did book profit on dollar Sing, about 25 pips, and dollar yen about 25 pips, and gold today morning we shorted, okay, we lost about 30 pips. Then I think day trading we are holding short Aussie dollar, making about 20-25 pips, and gold we did a limit buy and closed, we made about 55 pips. Okay, the rest all were yesterday. Okay, and the news trading, like as I told you, news we had stopped out to pound Aussie and euro Aussie. Okay, and we don't have any trades on momentum. Oh yeah, momentum we have a buy now. Okay, we have bought gold at 2680 half, and right now this is making, and we don't have any other trades. Okay, let's discuss. Like I told you, we need to pay attention to euro crosses, euro dollar and euro crosses, followed by the gold. Okay, these two are we feel that there is a big opportunity for this too. Okay, let's do on euro dollar. Okay, before we go into that, let's see whether we have any other trade opportunities we can trade. Okay, dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen has been moving up, and yeah, it's moving up, and the strength is expected to last another 1 hour. Okay, another 1 hour. Then, but again, this is a bit flat. Okay, and I think we have a sell order at 150.40 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so let's do our work on euro dollar. Okay, overall, what we feel on the euro is, okay, the low is yet to be seen. Okay, and of course, since today, if excuse me, if the ECB decides to cut rate by 0.25%, then this we need to expect the price to go lower. So there's two things you must always remember whenever we put in a trade. Okay, whenever we put in a trade or whenever we are going for a trade. Okay, there's two things we need to know is one is of course the trend direction or the trend control, meaning what is the main time that is controlling the trend, whether it's weekly, monthly, daily, hourly, so on and so forth. So the one word, the trend control, should be able to tell us that where the market is heading. Okay, that's one. Next is we need to know the boundary. Okay, the boundary meaning the high and low, what is to be expected. So at least then we know that okay, we are going to play the game within this range. That means, like for instance, like let's say we look to trade and we say like we want to exit before certain levels or what. So this is the next thing we need to know. Okay, and of course the third thing is, of course, where is the price open. Okay, we call it an opening price theory or opening price principle. That means where it open and whether is open near the selling zone or buying zone, you know, and we use that as a benchmark level for guidance. That means like what we want to what we want to do. So if you get all the three answers, excuse me, yeah. Sorry, if we get all the three answers, that means like the trend control, the opening price theory, meaning where it's open and where the price, whether it's more to selling or buying, then of course the boundary, that means like what is the low or high we are expecting, then we are good to go. So I'm going to show you how it's done and how easy it can be. Of course, if you have the relevant informations and knowledge, if you have, then you can do it and you can go. Okay, so the next thing is also I'll be also showing you how how we manage the trade. Also I'll be showing you some trades which we have opened. So we are also, I'm going to share with you how this can be done. Okay, so now let's do euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar, if you look at it, see, to find the trend control, okay, we need to have this trend map. And you see here we have weekly is down, current week is down and current month is down. Okay, that means what is telling us is this down move which we are expecting, okay, or which we are seeing, this may last until minimum end of the week, which is tomorrow, or it can even last until end of the month. That means it can last for another 2 more weeks. So this is the first clue we get. Okay, this is the trend control. So as of now we believe that this is going to be weekly, because the weekly 0 is pointing down and monthly is also pointing down. Then the next thing I told you, we need to know the boundary. That means if let's say the price is going low, okay, how far can it go low, or how high it can go, So this is the next information we need. So if you ask me, if you look at the monthly, see, monthly is broke previous week low, which is 109. So right now this is trading below the week, so this is a weekly trend down control. And if you look at monthly, the next critical support is 107.75. So in other words, if the price is moving down, okay, if the price is moving down now, we should see the price at least turning or touching 107.75 and turn, or it may turn before that if the market has got strength. Okay, so now we have that information. Okay, of course we need to tally it with our other system, because we have three types of systems which we have. One is the trend map, one is the PT zones, and one is the dashboard. So all this would guide you. we don't have to look at the chart. See, individually, of course, finally we go into the chart, and that's the beauty of our system. Meaning, we don't have to look into the chart, run through different multiple time frame of chart. Even what time frame to look at the chart, the trend map will tell you. You go straight on the dot, that time frame, and you just play the game, and you are good to go. All right. So now we look into euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. If you see, there is no buying force on the 360, there is no buying force on the 720, and we have selling force on daily, weekly. There is a strong selling force. That means all the three forces are pointing down. That means this market is weak, and once it breaks that weekly SL2, that means support left 2, the price is expected to have a free fall, and the price is expected to go down. And the monthly is all pointing down. So if you are going for a buy, excuse me, don't think about it, because the market is all against you, and don't have to go for a think of buying now. Okay, now the next support we see is on the quarterly. Okay, on the quarterly we see that market is trading at RL6. Okay, so then there is a strong support at quarterly RL1, RL2. So that is the level we need to know. Then that level will tell you that guidance that this market may hit that level. Okay, it may be 107.75 or lower, I wouldn't know, but I have to go to the dashboard to find an answer. So overall, we are going to go for a sell. Your previous 360, previous 720, daily, weekly, all are pointing down, and we have a support at previous monthly. So we need to know what is quarterly RL1 and previous month RL1. Then we have a guidance of what to be expected. So here, when we look into, okay, let me highlight the thing. And remember, I told you we need to see. Okay, now if you look at this, your weekly, once this 108.50, which is your current week low, if it breaks, we should see 107.70, 75 comfortably. Then I should not see the price going above 109.05, which is the previous day high. So now I have a benchmark on the high side, which is 109.05. That means I should not see the price going above that. Then 108.50 should break, and once it breaks, then I should see the price moving towards 107.75. Okay, now slowly we scroll down. Okay, then we see the monthly. Remember, monthly and quarterly we need to pay attention. Sorry, not monthly, previous month. So previous month, so if you look at it, okay, there is a support at 108.05. So that means, excuse me, 108.50 breaks, we should see 108.05. If it breaks, then we should comfortably see 107.45 and 725. Okay, finally we are coming into quarterly. Okay, quarterly, it tells you that 740 is the most important level for this buying sentiment, or there is some hope for the buyers or the bulls to see that, okay, this level should be holding. Okay, 107.40. Okay, so we have got all these levels. So in other words, okay, I've got an idea. I mean, I have already got an answer what I'm looking for. Okay, I should not see the price going above 109.05 and 109.20. Okay, 20. Just now I saw somewhere. Yeah, your previous week SL1. So I should not see the price going above this. Then I should see the 108.50 break. If it breaks, then I should see 108.05. Then if 108.05 breaks, then I should see 107.75 and 107.40. So that should be your final call if the market is is going to turn up or going to turn. Okay, now we go into the chart. Okay, remember I told you we need to find the trend control, which is weekly, and weekly is down, so we expect the price to go lower. Okay, then the next thing I told you, we need to have the benchmark level. Okay, the benchmark level is 109 10905 and 10920. Okay, these are the two levels, and 10850 breaks, then we should see the price moving lower, right? Okay, now we can see and we tally it with the chart. Remember 10775. Okay, there is a support on this. So if this level breaks, then we should see the support 10740. So that should be your max. So max, in order for you to see the price moving lower. So if I am going to trade for tonight, okay, I expect the price to reach 10780 and 10905 and 10920 to hold. Okay, so with that, I think I am good enough to go for this trade. Okay, so we have 770 and 740. Okay, now if I am going to go for a sell, since tonight is a interest rate announcement, okay, we'll try to sell near 10880 or 10890. Okay, 880 or 890. All right. Okay, so we are good to go on this. So let's see what trades we have, then we see whether we need to make any adjustment. Okay, this is okay, we have a excuse me, day trading sell at 109, and TP we are put in as 10810. Okay, so this trade is still good. Then okay, we have a limit buy at 10775 on the swing trading call. Okay, I think this is also good. Either we can buy at 775 or 750. Okay, that should be your worst scenario case. Okay, well, that should be your worst scenario case. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, so what we will do is we will let this trade work, and what we are going to do is we are going to try to put a news trading call, which is we will send it near the time, so it should be near 10880 or 890 level, not more than that, and we expect the price to break low unless if the ECB doesn't cut rate, then we may see the price turning earlier, then the market may start to move up. Okay, so we got to get mentally prepared on both aspects, meaning if they cut rate, price is expected to go lower towards 10810, 10775. If they don't cut rate, then we may be seeing the price turning up and turning. So we got to get ourselves prepared, and tonight might be a bit excitement day, because anything, in fact last meeting also I think ECB did cut by a big margin, right? So we got to pay attention to that. Okay, so euro dollar, I think we have given the call. Okay, now what we will do is we will try to do the euro crosses. Okay, having the same understanding. So if we see, okay, we need to see which would be the best cross to trade for euro crosses. So if you look into the weekly, I think the weakest is euro US. Then I think the next we see is euro CAD. Okay, euro CAD looks pretty weak. Then we see euro. Okay, euro pound. We don't have any buying force and only selling force. So euro pound, euro CAD, and also we look at euro New Zealand. Okay, euro New Zealand. Okay, the euro Swiss is a bit flat. Euro Aussie is like one buy, two buy and one sell. Okay, so I think euro New Zealand. So we will concentrate on euro CAD, euro CAD and euro New Zealand. Okay, euro New Zealand, and maybe euro yen. Okay, that would be another option which we can look into. So let's say we do euro CAD. The same scenario. Okay, what we need to know is, of course, we know that overall this is a selling. So if we are selling, we need to know what is the resistance or what is the high we can expect. So here your previous high is 15025. So current high should be lower than this level 15020. So if you look in on that aspect, okay, we try to get the lower level, which would be 150, okay, 1500 and 14995. This should be 14990, okay, 9095 should be your selling. So if you notice, we have a strong sell at 14990. Okay, we have selling here, we have resistance at RL1, RL2 and RC2. Okay, so this should be a good sell. Okay, 4990. So it's about 30 pips away from where we are trading now. Then the low we need to see, okay, whether the current day low is 14930 and the previous week low is 14880. So we will have a benchmark level at 14930 and 14880. Okay, let's do into the chart. Let's do go into the chart. Then okay, now 4985, okay, there is a resistance. Okay, now we are seeing some strength. Okay, how long this strength can last? Okay, this is only going to last for another 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. Then after that, we should see the price breaking. So looking at the chart, we should see the price moving towards 14880. If it breaks, then we can see lower towards 14820. So now we are seeing strength and this only should last before this. So what we can do is we can try to enter a sell trade at 14980. Okay, 14980, stop at 15010 excuse me, and TP at 14880, and the condition is 14930 must break. Okay, so here this is a day trading call because this is we are looking for we are looking for a sell. Okay. So here 149.80 stop 10, 148.80. Okay, this signal can be until the news is out. So that means 2030 we put it as 21. Okay, so this is, of course, we will be giving another news call if this signal is not filled. Then we may enter another trade, trying to sell this market. And there is 100 pips available in the market. Okay, minimum I would say 50, maximum is about 100 or more. So this is available. So we'll try to tap on this. Okay. So now the next thing is, I told you euro yen. Euro yen. Okay, same scenario. We look at this. Okay, this current strength may last only for another half an hour, and the stop should be at 62.95 or 63. Okay, 62.95 or 63, and previous day high is 62.90. So we will just try to put in about 63. Okay, then our TP should be, your current day low is 162.05 and previous day low is 162.15. Okay, this is your current day low is higher than this. If it breaks, then we should see the price moving towards 61.80. Okay, so here okay, what we will do is we'll try to sell near the high, but of course this market may turn down before that, but that would be your entry level. And if it breaks this low, then we should see lower. Okay, lower. So this is, so as of now I think we'll take our TP at 162.10. Okay, so here so this is another call which we want to generate. Euro yen, $162.80.85, then 163.10, 25 pips, and 162.10. Okay, this is 75 pips. Again, this one expiry will give until the rate announcement. Okay, that means if we get a spike up, we may get filled, or this price may come to a turn. Okay, we don't see the price going beyond 63.10. So let's see how this thing comes about. Okay, so the next one I was talking about is Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand, this is also in a similar picture, and maybe we want to sell near 179. Yesterday's high. Okay, I'll just show you that screen. Okay, your previous day high is 180.20. So, and we have a resistance at 179.80 and 179.95. So, our stop loss should be 180.25. Okay, 180.25. And our price target, if you notice, your today's low and yesterday's low are almost the same, right? So we will try to sell a bit higher. So we will try to sell at 85, TP at 880, and stop loss is 180.25. Okay, 85 should be your selling level. Okay, so with that we try to go into Euro New Zealand, selling 179.85, and remember our stop was supposed to be about 20. Yesterday's high was 20, so we'll try to put at 25. So if that's the case, then we may try to exit at entry at 90 and 178.90. So this is about 100 pips move. So 1% which we are talking about, and again this one we try to put it until 2100 hours. So we'll try to put this three, and what we will do is, since tonight is going to be the interest rate announcement, and tonight is also going to be a news trading, so it will be advisable if you can come, then probably we can capitalize on this and try to go about this trade. Okay, the next thing I wanted to tell was gold. Okay, remember gold is looking for a break, and in fact we are long. Okay, we are long at let me see where I was long. Okay, we are long at 80 half. We are long at 80 half. This is a momentum trade, and we believe that today the 85 might break, and the price may push towards 2692 or even 2705 or higher, 2705. So this would be a very good trade to stay focused. Okay, as of now, if you ask me, 3-5, okay, this strength will be lasting for another half an hour. Okay, another half an hour. So we need to see a break of 85. Okay, once we see a break of 85, then we should comfortably see 96. Okay, 96 or extension. Extension of this level, which is 90 and 92. So we should see the price breaking that 85, 85.70, which is the current high. If it breaks, then we should see 90, 92 or even 96, okay, 96 and even higher. But overall, if you look into, okay, the same thing, if you look into the trend map, okay, like from the system, okay, let's see what the system is saying. Okay, the system is saying this is a trend control is weekly up. Okay, weekly up. Monthly and quarterly have not given us a signal, but once it breaks that 86, 87, then we should see the price giving us a signal. That means all the monthly, quarterly would be up. So that means, this strength is expected to last until the end of the month or even end of this quarter, okay, which is that means until December, So this can be a very big move which we are talking about, and excuse me, right now the market has taken support at 240, which is 2673. So that means we should not see the price going below 2673. Where is it? The 2673 we are looking at. Yeah, this level. Here, this morning. We should not see the price breaking this level. We should see this price high breaking, and once it breaks, we should see the price moving towards higher. Okay, So especially if you are planning to sell gold, okay, our advice is try to stay away, because this is getting ready for the break, and if this break happens, then this is going to be a big move. So just try not to sell this, and try to look for a buy near 73, or near that level. So overall, today I think we have discussed on two different markets. One is gold. We are expecting a breakout soon. That's one. Second is the euro crosses. Okay, we expect the euro dollar to weaken if the ECB cuts the rate by 0.25%, and they give the statement also saying that okay, there would be a cut in coming session or what, then the euro should really weaken. So overall we are looking the euro to reach at least 107.75, 107.40. So that is another about 75 to 100 pips move down. Okay, so, and of course this might be the uh, so-called the final climax sell. Then after that we can go for a buy on the euro. Okay, so any other questions or anything you all want to discuss? Okay, feel free, I can discuss. If not, then I just look forward to see you again tonight, at 2000 hours on news trading, when the euro rate announcement is out, and USD retail sales is out. Okay, and once again, if you feel that we have done a good job, okay, please subscribe to our services, and kindly recommend to your friends. And we just want to see this group growing, and we are providing lots of services. And also for those of you who have registered, because I've seen some people, they have registered to our website. Okay, this just write to us, and we will extend. Usually the system will give you a 1 week free trial, okay, on the report and the signals. So you write to us, then we will give you points, and you can redeem and use it to get our signals for free. Okay, the signals is all for free, especially for YouTube users, because now we're having a promotion. And this is this you can try our services for free for at least a month. So we generate signals minimum 3 to 4 times a day. Okay, and we'll give updates. Then of course we have YouTube session to clear your doubts, or any questions you have pertaining to the market. We will be there to assist you, right? Okay. So if no questions, okay, once again thank you very much, and I'll see you again at 2000 hours in the evening. Okay, so thanks, and looking forward to see you again. Thanks, bye.